I chose to study at the Acting Center because I'm very new at acting. I didn't do it when I was younger or anything, so I had no prior experience before the Acting Center, and I was doing my research, and just what they had to say on their website was so positive and amazing and just had a different tone than all the other websites I read, and they just, really talked about making this an experience for the actor. So many people, like my first week, were like, oh, thank goodness, like this is your first place that you've been, because I wish this was the first. I wish the Acting Center was the first place that I studied, because these other places traumatized me and just, told me how I should act. And so I'm so grateful that I didn't go anywhere else, because the type of person I am, it probably would have ruined acting for me, and I would just be never doing it again. The Acting Center has done so much for me just as a person and as an actor. I just feel like I'm so much more confident, I'm so much more creative, and I feel more secure with myself. I walked into my very first audition, and they said, you literally walked in here with the most confidence. I was able to switch, and they were like, oh, try this, and I was able to, and I was able to kind of switch from the character, but different what they wanted, which is what we learn here, is to be able to adapt to understand what the casting director wants. And I felt like I was standing in front of that camera prepared, I knew what to do, even though I'd never have been in an audition before. But being here, I was so prepared from the Acting Center for my very first audition. My creativity has just blossomed here, and I'm just so happy to be here. I look forward to it. I get through work just so I can be here and be myself and be with so many amazing people at the Acting Center who inspire me and are beautiful and creative and so just welcoming and just positive. I just want to be around positive people that are just doing what they love, and I get to come here and do that as well. I'm so grateful that I'm trying it, I'm doing it, I'm being creative, I'm being myself, and I'm, doing something that I always wanted to do in such a safe, welcoming, inspiring place. And so even if you have never done it before, don't be afraid and just try it and do it. And this is the best place to just be you and be accepted. So go to the Acting Center. Your life will be changed.